I've got some saws I'm selling, Stihl. I picked these up at auctions, estate sales, and I fix them and resell them. I'm going to show you all the saws here a little bit, and I'm going to run the 046 at the end. First one is a ms180c, 31.8cc. Very nice condition, 14-inch bar. Runs good, oiler works. The only thing I've done to this saw is I pulled the carb and cleaned it. It's ready to go. I've used it a couple times, no problems. $200. Next up, Stihl 015 32cc. This is a nice clean saw. I've had it for 3 years, maybe more. I serviced the carb and the ignition system. This has got points condenser. Runs great. This has been updated to a 3/8 chain. I replaced the sprocket oil pump gear, put a new bar and chain on it. It's perfect. Runs great. No problems. This has a case. I'm asking $325. Next, another 015. This is a nice saw. I did kind of a restoration on it, serviced the carb. The ignition system has been updated. It has electronic ignition. This is a chip. I put a chip in it. It's been cleaned. It's ready to go. Very nice condition with case and the original scabbard. Cardboard scabbard. $250. Next, 025 44.3cc. This is a nice clean saw. 14-inch bar. It's clean, runs good, ready to go. $250. Next is a Stihl 026. This is a 48.7cc. I've done nothing to this saw, not even clean it. Starts, runs good. 16-inch bar, good chain. It's ready to go. $275. And last, Stihl 046 Magnum, 77cc. The saw has seen very little use. It's very clean, very nice. 20-inch bar. I've done nothing to it. I'd say this saw is almost in like new condition. Oiler works, brake works. It's a very well cared for saw. elasto start. The rope stretches, relieves stress, tension on your arm, and the recoil. I'm going to fire this thing up. It's got a decompression. It's got a decompression valve on it. You push that down and it makes it easier to start and pull. Very nice saw. Comes with a case and scabbard. I got a wrench and a file. There's a case. $650. Very nice. It's a very nice saw. No problems.